Hey traders, O'Connor here, back with more technical analysis. We're looking at the pound again. We have the channel. If you haven't seen the previous video, go check it out. We've talked about this channel. So far we've been trading inside the channel, and you can see that the patterns have kind of been repeating. Look at this section especially. See these candles kind of resemble this area here. And then now even more, we got this huge red candle just like here. So if the patterns are to repeat themselves, we're expecting a drop all the way down to at the very least to this area here. If we adjust the trend line to the bottoms here instead, so at the very least here, and then the longer term target all the way down here. So why do we have this line? If you draw a line like this and then drag it all the way back to the left, you see there is a support there as well, and before that. So most importantly, this huge bullish candle. So the first target is already reached because the first breakout was from this area. It broke, already reached. This was really fast. I didn't get the chance to share this with you, unfortunately. So if this area breaks, you're looking for continuation, just like when this area broke, and then you got the 3 candles. So obviously it's not going to be exact. Maybe you only get 1 red candle all the way down, or 3-4 candles. So obviously that can differ. We may also see a breakout, a retracement, and then a continuation. Nevertheless, what we want to look for, if we want to continue trading inside the channel, we want this area to break because of this huge support in this area. Like I said, it's a big candle there, but also more support from previous time. So that means it's a significant level. There is support here, and you can see price is already slowing down here. And if this candle closes after this, if we see a breakout, we can continue trading down. So if we look at the 4-hour time frames to see what patterns do we have here, so we can see we're reaching this area already, and we want a breakout from this. And furthermore, we can see the first breakout here. So this could also be a good thing to mark on your charts. Put a line there because this was the first breakout. You see there, it's dropping from there. So why do we want a line here? Just in case we get a retracement, we can put a line there. And so if we would get a retracement up here and then a continuation, you would use these lines to see if you get a break up, then you would know then you should not short it. And if we get a retracement, price continues, then you would know, okay, trend is still holding inside the channel, still going bearish. And you can trade using these lines. So you can see the first breakout out of here, out of this area. We got this triangle pattern. If I put it like this, you can see we had a triangle here, we got the breakout. So now we can extend the lines. We have the first target, and then we either expect a retracement here because of the strong bulls, strong support here, or we get a breakout, and then we can continue trading towards the lower level of the channel. And of course, as always, you need to watch out for the news. So open your Forex calendar, look which news that are high impact. Even some medium impact news can affect what's going to happen, because your technical analysis might be right, but the fundamentals can change everything. So what you want to look for is the pound and the US dollar, because those are the 2 assets included in this pair. So if there are high impact, medium impact news for the pound and the USD, you're gonna want to keep an eye on that, see how the news will affect your longer term trades. And of course, like I said, if you want to short this, you want a breakout here. So I would go to the lower time frames and see what's going on. Preferably you would want a 4-hour time frame, 4-hour candle to close below this, and not just jump in because of 5-minute or 30-minute candle close below. So you want a higher time frame candle to close below here, because like I said, support strong. You could see a bounce before price going down, so you have to be careful. And we can see again previous patterns. So let's look at the previous times. We got a similar breakout just like today, So if I place my line here, first breakout there, it went down here and it retraced before eventually going down again. And what happened? We got a breakout below here. You see a 4-hour candle closing below support before continuation here. So we could be using these patterns, and if they repeat, that's a good sign. And so far this area, especially on the daily chart, you can see how similar the patterns are to the previous ones. You got the large candle there, and this section especially looks really familiar. So I hope you see that. I hope you understand what I mean. Keep these lines on your charts. Be prepared for the next level in case we get a continuation, so you can trade this all the way down. So thanks for watching. That was everything for today.